In this tutorial video, we'll see how to add your Instagram business profile to RecurPost. Go to Social Profiles from the list on the left-hand side. On the Social Profiles page, you'll see all the social platforms that are currently supported by RecurPost. Go to the bottom and simply turn on the toggle that states Show accounts that support posting only via push notifications. Please note that you cannot post directly using an automated social media management tool to your Instagram personal profile. Therefore, you'd have to use RecurPost's mobile application to post content to your Instagram personal profile via push notifications. Click on the personal button located below the Instagram logo. Next, you'll be redirected to the permissions page to allow to add your Instagram personal profile to RecurPost. Since I was already logged in, I was redirected to this particular page. But if you're not already logged in, you'll first be asked to enter your credentials and next be redirected to this particular page. Therefore, I'll first click on the Allow button. On doing so, my Instagram personal profile would get added to my RecurPost. Next, to go to the Social Profiles page, I'll simply click on Back to Manage Social Profiles button, and there you go. I've been redirected to the Social Profiles page. I hope this tutorial video was helpful. Thank you.